Word up, car people. In this short video I'm gonna show you how to repair a faulty side lamp, and it's not just replacing the light bulb. It's a common problem on a lot of cars, and it's not only related to Peugeot, but it's a common problem on this model. So the first thing we have to do is get into the lamp, and as you can see here, you just have to screw this out to get the whole lamp case out with a little push. After that, you have these strips which you can lift up and then remove the lamp case from the glass. As you can see here, the circuit board looks really good. There's no corrosion or anything like that that indicates that we have a problem on the front of the lamp. But as you might can see here on the second pin, we have corrosion, and that indicates there's a bad connection. Here as well, on the back of the harness it looks good, but on the front you can see it's black and we have a bad connection. So I cleaned the switch, the harness and connector with a small screwdriver and a steel wire brush. And this is what it looks like. On the top of the harness you can also see there's melted plastic, which indicate that we have a bad connection and it has been overheated and melted the plastic. And here you can see on the front, after I've cleaned it, you can see the bare metal again. And the same goes for the back of the switch. I have also cleaned the second pin here. Let me just clear out, this is not a permanent solution. The correct solution is to make a new ground. But we have found the problem and the reason why we get an error on the info screen. So remember, this will work for now and we won't get the error on the info screen, but in the near future it will come up again. As I said, we need to make a permanent solution, but it will work until I find the time and the solder iron to make a new bypass around the switch or harness. And as you can see here, it all goes in the same way it went out. You just click it on, and after that you just put the two pins into the car chassis and it's ready to screw in on the backside of the car in the trunk. Here's a small diagram on what went wrong. As you can see, we have the battery. Of course, it's more sophisticated than this. We have the switch, which is the braking pedal, and then we have the light bulb, the rear brake light bulb, and of course the wire. What went wrong is that we got a bad connection in the switch, or the harness, and as I mentioned before, it's really typical for a lot of cars. It got overheated due to a bad connection, as you saw on the plastic, and it made a corrosion and got a bad connection, which made the error on the info screen. So to make the solution permanent, we will need, as the green line indicate, we will need to make a wire around the harness that are broken. So perhaps I will do that in a future video or just off camera. But the most important thing is that we found the problem, or the reason why we got the error on the info screen. So that's really great. And it's working again without any errors on the info screen. Hope you liked the video and it was helpful. Please subscribe and like the video if you got something out of it. Have a great day. I hope you find your problem with your lamp.